Hi, Hank here from the Kegworks team. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Coronarita. Let's get started. To start, we're going to prepare our glass by rimming it in salt. Next, we're going to take our shaker filled with ice and add our ingredients. 2 ounces of tequila, 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 1 ounce of agave nectar, but you can adjust this to taste. Now shake for about 30 seconds or until chilled. Now pour your drink straight into the glass. Next, carefully flip the Coronita bottle into your drink. Garnish with a lime wedge and enjoy. Make sure to subscribe for more how-tos, inspiration, and expert tips. And don't forget to head to kegworks.com to get everything you need to make this Coronarita and more. Cheers.